To calculate the coefficient of correlation, we're going to have to enter in a function into Excel. Before we do that, just so that we remember what we're doing, I'm going to write Pearson R value equals into a cell. This has no effect on the actual computed value. It just helps us remember what it is we're calculating. The actual formula calculation is I'm gonna enter in the cell next to where I've written what I'm finding. So I'm in E2 right now, and to enter in a formula in Excel, if we know what it's called already, we could type it into this input box. If we don't know, then we can search through the functions. So if I search a function, I can search for Pearson R value, and I see functions show up. You could also look there, and you can see it returns the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient R, which is exactly what we're looking for. We say, okay, that's what we want to use. Then what it requires is two inputs. It calls it array 1. Those are the X values for our data. And then it requires array 2, which are the Y values for the data. So in order to select particular data, we click this box and it takes us back to our data. We click and drag our mouse down to select all the data so that it shows B2 to B7. You could also type that in manually. Okay, so it shows the values over here. You can confirm, yep, those are my X values, these are my Y values, and it shows me what my Pearson correlation coefficient is.